guys, Matt Bernal here with T-Rex Grills. We're here with Web Shop Manager to talk to you guys about our history with Web Shop Manager. We started about 2015 with our first website with Web Shop Manager, T-Rex Grills. It was such a success that every time we launched our new sister company under our blanket company, T-Rex Truck Products, we always go to Web Shop for every one of our websites. So we've got T-Rex Grills, we got T-Rex Truck Products, we've got ZRoads.com, and right now Web Shop Manager is working on our third company, USRack.com. USRack.com, we've been working so hard on that website with Web Shop, and it's been a breeze. The guys are incredibly talented, intuitive. If you are a manufacturer in the automotive industry specifically, and you want an informative website that's also a great e-commerce website and also provides a lot of information, you got to go with Web Shop, man. We just received a Platinum Award for our data for ZRoads, so these are the guys to go to, man. These are the guys, Web Shop Manager.